Hey, my name is Mike Nardi. I'm a Fiverr seller and I also make YouTube videos to help other people learn how to make money on Fiverr. If you're new to this channel or new to Fiverr or don't even know what Fiverr is, that's why I decided to make this video. In this video, I'm going to answer the first question that everybody asks themselves when they first hear the word Fiverr. What is Fiverr? This video is actually part of a new playlist I've created on my YouTube channel called Fiverr for Beginners. So if you're new to the channel and you watch this video and you found it helpful, please make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section of this video after you finish watching it. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have about Fiverr, and also I'm taking ideas for new videos that might be helpful in this Fiverr for Beginners playlist or some of the other playlists I've been posting on my channel. So I appreciate your comments. Alright, so what is Fiverr? I'll start by giving you Fiverr's definition of what Fiverr is. I found the following 3 definitions either on Fiverr's website or web pages related to Fiverr. Here they are. Fiverr is the leading marketplace connecting businesses to freelancers. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. Fiverr is the place to find freelance services for the lean entrepreneur. They all sound pretty cool, right? But if you're anything like me, or the person I was 2 years ago when I first discovered Fiverr, working a 9 to 5, you might just be finishing university or just living a normal life, you've probably not had that many opportunities to run into the world of freelancing and might not have any idea how something like Fiverr would relate to you. So here's my definition of Fiverr, why I think it's awesome and why you might too. Fiverr is a place where people like you and me, everyday, normal people, can create opportunities for ourselves that would have otherwise been impossible to create. Fiverr is a place where if you have some extra time on your hands, you can offer up your skills and expertise to people all over the world to make some extra money for yourself. Fiverr is a place where you can take the first steps to starting your business online. It takes away a lot of the anxieties and startup costs associated with starting a business the old-fashioned way. Plain and simple, Fiverr is awesome. So whether you're a graphic designer, a customer service rep, a lawyer, someone in business, an entrepreneur, a writer like myself, an actor, a voice actor, or just someone who's good at something, Fiverr might be for you. I found Fiverr about 1.5 years ago. I came across some post online where people were talking about this website called Fiverr and how they were making all this money in their spare time selling services to people. They were writing emails for people and they were making a lot of money doing it. At the time, I was an account executive at a large tech company. I wrote emails all the time. So I figured if these people were making money writing emails for people on Fiverr, why couldn't I? So I started looking into it. I was curious if there were any sorts of qualifications or requirements I needed before becoming a Fiverr seller. And I soon realized there weren't. So I gave it a shot and here I am. So I've been a Fiverr seller selling copywriting services for the past 1.5 years. I've learned so much about selling things to people online from different countries. I've made quite a bit of extra cash on the side, and most importantly for me is I improved as a writer, which was one of the reasons I was seeking out a service like Fiverr in the first place. I thought that by getting paid to write, I'd be more inclined to practice writing and write more, and it's been definitely true for me. So I guess the moral of this video is Fiverr can really be whatever you want or need it to be. A place to make money, a place to gain some extra experience or skills, a place to sell your skills to people all over the world to add some extra money into your bank account, or a place to start your own business. So that's all I have for you in this first Fiverr for Beginners video. I wanted to give you a rundown of what Fiverr is, what it's been for me, and what it might be for you. Maybe this video will serve as planting that first seed in your mind that Fiverr might be a good option for you to make some extra money, learn some skills, and grow on whatever path you want to grow on. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch some of the other helpful videos that I post. Cheers.